got you on camera. This is a video. You got to show me what you got. It's a video.
Hi.
Hi. Come on down. You going to crash into anybody? Good job, Finn. Really good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Really good. Woohoo! Well done, Finn.
That's excellent, Finn.
This is Finn's first ride. Awesome for his first ride. Unbelievable. Good job.
Dad! Did you see me?
Woohoo, Finn! Woohoo! It's tiring, eh?
Yeah. We're getting the hang of it.
Did you see the view? You got to take a look at the mountains.
Whoa.
Whoa! Feels like you're on top of the world. I'll stick this on YouTube. I'm going to stick this on YouTube. You can show all his friends at school.
Always lean like this. Lean on your edge. Right? You with me? Always lean on your edge. When you want to change direction, good. Stick your edge in. Wait. Like this. Use it like a spade. Okay?
Okay.
And just go from side to side. You guys can go if you want.
We're happy.
I want to try and get over my chariot.
Alright, well then you need to point that way. But you're going to battle to get over this hill. You're finding somewhere that
Pardon?